Hi everybody, this video is going to take you through how to fill out the nonprof-IT application. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Apply as a Student section on the nonprof-IT page. This can be done by searching UWM nonprof-IT and scrolling to the Apply as a Student link on the right-hand side of the page, or by clicking the Apply as a Student link that's in some of the nonprof-IT social media posts. So this is the page you'll want to see, this is the link you'll want to see, and then you just click that link, and then it will take you to the application. Once you click the link, the first page you'll see will be an informational page that includes the minimum GPA you need to have to participate in the class, as well as the days the class is held on. After clicking the next button, you'll be taken to a page that will ask for your first name, last name, and your UWM email address. As an example for filling out all areas of this form, I will be using the fictitious character of Jane Doe. So I have her first name, last name, and then email address. After you finish filling out your first name, last name, and UWM email address and click Next, you will be taken to a page that will ask for your campus ID number, major, minor, and certificates you're pursuing, your GPA, your class standing or school year, your availability, and the kind of projects you're interested in. So, like I said before, this will look a little different for you. You'll have your actual ID number, any majors, minor certificates, GPA. Here you can click around to best reflect your class standing or year in school. You can also do the same for this, and then you can also do the same for your project interests as well. Once you fill out all the information on the previous page and click Next, you'll be taken to a page that asks about the skills that you have that can relate to your project interests, as well as skills that would allow you to lead a team successfully. This page also asks you if you want to be a project team lead. You totally don't. If you totally don't, that's fine. Then here in this little section, you just click no, and then put something here like I don't want to be a team lead, but for the sake of the example, Jane wants to be a team lead and she lists her goals. And then for the class section, this is some of the skills and classes taken section. These are some skills and classes that most IST students will have and be able to put in here. However, if you're a different major like DAG, DVC, computer science, this section might look a little different for you. Once you fill out all the information on the previous page and click Next, you'll be taken to a page that will ask you for 2 references. I recommend finding these references ahead of time because you don't want to end up in a situation where it's the day of deadline and you can't apply because you don't have any references. Well, these are the examples I have for Jane Doe. This will look a little different for you, but this is just an example of what this area should look like once it's filled out. Want to participate in nonprof-IT, and the page will also ask you for a copy of your resume. If you want help with your resume before submitting it, I recommend going to the Writing Center that's in Curtin Hall 127. They have walk-in hours, and you can also make in-person or virtual appointments. A link for that will be in the description of this video. And as for the example that I put for the reason for wanting to do nonprof-IT,